I'm in Pétionville, Haiti, right above the city of Port-au-Prince, where we've been working in Haiti now since 1975, winning Haitians for Jesus Christ. God has given us every strategy imaginable to win more Haitians to Christ. But right now, because of La Bonne Nouvelle, the Good News television show, we are now the most watched television program in the nation of Haiti, Christian or non-Christian. Over 80 stations broadcast La Bonne Nouvelle. We have over 2 million people a day that we're reaching. The president's wife called me on the telephone just a few months ago and said, I want you to know I'm your biggest fan. What we're going to be doing in the next few months here in 2015 coming up is God is put it upon our hearts to not only produce more and to go out into the different parts of Haiti and to do more mass evangelization with films and winning Haitians for Christ in the areas that don't have television, but also God has put it in our heart to continue to produce more television broadcasts than ever before. We need the tools to be able to do that. Our equipment is worn out, our cameras are worn out, we have a tripod that has fallen apart, and our vehicle is a 1995. $50,000 in the next 12 months to win more Haitians for Christ is a bargain. We could not be able to translate US dollars into Haitian souls more efficiently in a better way than by the way that we've been doing it. So we're asking that God would touch your heart, that you could give sacrificially to us so that we could effectively buy this vehicle, buy more cameras, buy more equipment, so that we can go forward and we can win more Haitians for Christ. Thank you very much for praying. Thank you for giving. Go on our website, HaitiForChrist.net, click on the donate button, and help us to win Haiti for Christ.